Most people think that to lose weight, all you need to do is cut calories and run endless miles on the treadmill. But what if I told you that this is the fastest way to lose not only fat, but also those muscles you've worked so hard to build? That's right, losing fat without sacrificing muscle is a real challenge, but there's a way to do it without compromising your progress in the gym. The solution lies in techniques that often go unnoticed, but can revolutionize your training and diet. And the best part? The results can show up faster than you think. Forget the idea that losing weight has to mean shrinking muscles and drained energy. The key is finding the perfect balance between a calorie deficit and the intensity of your workouts. But be careful, because what most people do, drastically cutting calories, can end up being more harmful than helpful. And when it comes to protecting your muscles while burning fat, there are simple and surprising strategies that will make all the difference. So, if you're tired of seeing your bodybuilding efforts go down the drain every time you try to lose weight, now is the time to learn how to turn the tables. Get ready to discover effective methods that will allow you to lose weight while still growing your muscles. Let's go. Exercise and nutrition are key immediately. For those looking to lose fat without sacrificing muscle, finding the right balance between a calorie deficit and workout intensity is essential. Imagine cutting about 500 calories a day, enough to burn fat without compromising your strength in workouts. It's like tuning an instrument. If you over-tighten the strings, cut too many calories, they snap, and your muscles might start to disappear. But when done correctly, your muscles stay strong and active during every workout, maintaining the growth momentum. Now think about your workouts. If you've already started cutting calories, the challenge is to keep up the energy to maintain intensity in the gym. The secret is choosing the right exercises to keep your muscles pumped. Instead of focusing solely on cardio, which can leave your body drained, include bodybuilding exercises like deadlifts and bench presses, ensuring your body continues to build muscles even while losing fat. That feeling of maintaining muscle while losing weight? Priceless. However, if you go too far with calorie restriction, you might start to notice a drop in your performance. This means your workout might not be as effective, and instead of building muscle, you could begin losing strength. And let's face it, no one wants to spend hours at the gym and leave without feeling like the muscles are growing, right? The key is this balance, which will allow you to keep up your energy and continue progressing in fitness without sacrificing what you've already built. Frequent protein intake. Keeping your muscles while losing fat requires more than just good workouts, and that's where protein comes in. Studies show that consuming protein every 3 hours can be a game changer. Think of it like fueling a fire. To keep the flames burning, your muscles, you need to keep feeding it. Each protein-rich meal, whether a shake or chicken breast, provides the amino acids needed to prevent your muscles from shrinking during a fat loss phase. Now, imagine your day. In the morning, you have scrambled eggs and Greek yogurt for breakfast. A few hours later, a protein snack, maybe a shake or some almonds with whey protein. For lunch, more protein with chicken or fish, accompanied by vegetables. Not only does this keep hunger at bay, but it also ensures your body has constant fuel to build muscle. And the best part? It keeps your metabolism active and muscle growth steady. Protein is your #1 ally, especially during this journey of losing weight and building muscle. Neglect it, and you'll see your muscles start to shrink. For those committed to getting results in bodybuilding, this tip is non-negotiable. Adding more protein sources to your daily routine, like egg whites, tofu, or protein shakes, will help you protect that precious muscle while burning fat and getting more defined. Creatine for muscle gain without sacrificing muscle mass. When it comes to losing fat without giving up muscle, creatine can be a valuable ally. This well-researched supplement not only improves gym performance, but also helps preserve and gain muscle mass during the fat-burning process. Creatine works like extra fuel, allowing you to train with more intensity and strength, maximizing every rep and preventing your muscles from shrinking while the number on the scale drops. Additionally, creatine promotes water retention in muscle cells, which not only gives muscles a fuller appearance, but also creates an environment conducive to growth. Even when you're in a calorie deficit to lose fat, creatine can ensure your muscles continue to grow, protecting your lean mass. Taking creatine daily, whether before or after workouts, can be the key to maintaining the perfect balance between losing fat and gaining muscle. Another crucial benefit of creatine is its ability to speed up muscle recovery, allowing for more frequent and effective workouts. In a phase where your focus is on losing fat, ensuring your muscles are always ready to grow is essential. Incorporating creatine into your supplementation routine is a smart way to guarantee you continue to gain muscle mass while reducing body fat, keeping your physique always evolving. Strength training is essential. Many still believe that losing weight is all about cutting calories and doing cardio, but the real secret to maintaining muscle while losing fat lies in strength training. Lifting isn't just about building big muscles, it's about preserving what you already have, especially when in a calorie deficit. Think of each rep as telling your body, hey, keep these muscles because they're still needed. And let's be real, no one wants to lose that amazing feeling of muscle pump after an intense gym workout. Beyond protecting your muscles, strength training also helps reduce visceral fat, the more dangerous fat stored around your organs. It's not just about appearance, it's about health. Studies show that lifting can be more effective than cardio for reducing this internal fat while also protecting your joints. When you lift weights, your body continues to build and strengthen muscles, and that makes all the difference when it comes to achieving that defined, healthy physique. Another incredible benefit of strength training is reducing inflammation in the body, something crucial to preventing chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. Strength training keeps your body ready not just for gym challenges but for life. Want to lose weight efficiently? Prioritize strength training. Combining smart strength workouts with a proper diet is the key to keeping your muscles strong while continuing to lose fat in a healthy way. Now, imagine how this approach could transform your long-term results. Another key advantage of strength training is its ability to increase your metabolic rate, even at rest. When you build muscle, your body burns more calories throughout the day, making it easier to maintain a lean physique. This means that even when you're not working out, your body is still working for you, burning fat and preserving muscle. Incorporating compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses into your routine maximizes this effect, helping you reach your goals faster. So if you're serious about losing fat while keeping your muscles intact, strength training is non-negotiable. Now that you've discovered how to lose fat without sacrificing muscle, what will you do with all this knowledge? Will you stick to outdated methods, or will you apply these strategies and truly transform your body? We want to know. Which of these tips are you going to start using today? Leave a comment below and share your experiences. Each comment helps inspire others to change as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notifications, and keep following content that will help you improve your workouts, nutrition, and of course, your health. See you in the next video.